It's Tuesday, October 30th, a little afternoon, and we are in Hobart, Tasmania. And it's, I guess it's a state in Australia. And we're gonna walk through St. David's Park right now. Today's gonna be a chill day. We have no plans other than just kind of taking a stroll, because tomorrow and the next day are gonna be action-packed, so just gonna take it easy. It's about 55 degrees Fahrenheit, but the sun is out and there's a slight breeze. Life is good.
You know what I love? There's always these pink flowers in Australia.
Yeah. What kind of flowers are they?
I don't know.
You can ask Gemini. These ones smell very nice.
Sculpture trail.
What does that even mean?
I think Battery Point's just like a nice neighborhood.
Okay.
This is a nice neighborhood too, it looks like.
What is the name of this neighborhood?
It starts with an S. It's
Salamanca?
Salamanca neighborhood. Yeah.
All these restaurants are cute.
Yeah. It's just a cute neighborhood.
It's a lot of restaurants all lined up.
They're all in competition with each other.
Well, I think that they're actually not, because they've differentiated. They're all different.
So we're in Hobart, Tasmania, and we're doing the Battery Point Sculpture Trail. So every time we get to a point, it says a year, and at the back of it, it'll say what happened in that year. So the first one is 1833, and in 1833, there was just the beginning of Hobart, so it was just tar and rope and people building the colonial city.
Going on at this time in 1890.
So in 1890, they founded the University of Tasmania.
Awesome.
And its alumni can be found in Australia and also 120 other countries worldwide.
Are they Tasmanian devils?
No, but they have Antarctic studies now, where they have studies for fisheries, oceans, and biodiversity.
Fascinating. CSIRO.
So that's the Research Center for Marine and Climate Change, and the reason they put 12.43 is that's the feet amount sea level, the little float that measures, that sinks down twice a day.
The tides.
The tides.
Okay, great.
The 628 NM stood for nautical miles, and after each Boxing Day, that's when they would...
There's a buoy out there.
There's a buoy out there.
That's 628, and they race around it in their fancy yachts.
Yeah.
So here's what kind of fish they have here. Spotted handfish. You ever seen that one before?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So many that I really have never even heard of. Elephant fish. Wow. Any other cool ones that you like?
Calamari. Like for the restaurant.
How much of the seafood's good here? Nobody's fishing here though. Alright, so I see Australia, and then we're a little island.
And we're a little thing at the bottom.
Okay, and then we're in Tasmania, are we?
So this is Tasmania.
Mm-hmm.
This is all like parks, I think. Yeah, national parks.
Yeah.
And we're on the harbor here.
Okay.
So we're at our next stop, and this is Battery Point, and they turn fruit into jam, and at a year of peak production, they can turn 2,000 tons of fruit into jam.
They don't have that here anymore though. That was back in the 1850s. Now it's just a quiet park. Is that a wolf?
I don't know.
What do you think it is? Is that a Tasmanian devil?
I don't think so. They're Tasmanian devils are dark brown.
Oh. Real estate prices. So these little houses, $585 to $635, and that is Aussie dollars. That's not bad. I thought they were going to be much pricier around here. Huh. I guess it's because we're used to New York prices.
Yeah.
I mean, 5-bedroom for 1.45. Battery Point.
But it's also a work day.
It is. Not that many people on the streets around here, though.
No.
Age 28, Ann Dean. Wow, 24 years old. 27. 3 weeks, that's very young. 22-year-old, 25, 33. Where did you bring me to? People were dying around here early. Nobody lived over the age. I was a 50-year-old. 25. I guess people didn't live that long back then.
This is the age.
Uh-oh. Go. The water's getting very close, though.
Yeah. Yeah.
That looks fun. A zombie pirate ship.
I know, but we're gonna be.
Submarine cable. Huh. So quiet. This is the main street too, huh?
The main street is Liverpool. We're about to turn onto it.
This is the main street at like 3 o'clock
Yeah.
on a Thursday, not Tuesday, Thursday. Interesting. Very small town. How many people live in Hobart?
I don't know. Strange.
I wonder if the convicts were also brought here to build Tasmania, like they did on mainland Australia. Huh. So there's a nice Woolworths right there, and here is our Tas Inn. I'm excited because apparently there's a pub downstairs called the Moo Brew. Did you pick that for me?
No.
No. Wow, it's nice. There's a nice little patio out here. Sweet. I love it. You can sit out there. So we're in the rooms above this cool little pub. And here's what you get for 50 bucks. Oh wow, we have access to the balcony right from our room. So for 24 USD a night, this is what we get.
Yeah.
I love it out here. Oh, it's so nice. Wow. This is awesome. Good job, babe. It's so beautiful up here. Look at all these flowers. Wow. Good job.
But we don't have a bathroom.
Yes, there is, Miriam. Nice. And here's our little pub. Ready to go? What? 9.2. Nice. This looks like capers, Scotch egg, and what is that one? Jam? Some kind of jam or jelly? Preserves? Figs?
Yeah.
Is it figs?
It looks like preserved.
Try it, see what it is.
Tomato jam.
Tomato jam, very nice.
Wow.
I love Scotch eggs.
I really, really like this. This is so good. Wow.
What do you got, babe?
So I have a parmy.
Which is what? I've never seen one like that.
It's a chicken parm with pesto.
That is freaking amazing. And you
Yeah.
love chicken parm.
Yeah. And then
Well, what was the pot and parmy you got? Because you got a special.
I got a beer.
What they call a pot
A
of beer.
pot is like half a pint.
Half a pint is a pot of beer.
Yeah.
And then what is this?
Oh, burnt baby leeks.
Burnt baby leeks. And then this is fish and chips with the mushy peas.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. I know. It's like sour cream and chives.
This is the best burnt baby leeks ever.
I didn't even know you knew about baby leeks.
I love baby leeks.
I recognize this glass. I feel like my grandmother had this at her house. And this is what they call a pot. This is the pot.